Well, good greetings and beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to all of you wonderful souls. Kiara Ducasse here today on this fine Saturday AM. I am here right now, just grabbing some organic vegetables so that I can do some more juicing. I just clipped my turmeric, nachi, ginger, what else did I put in there? Turmeric, nachi, ginger, carrot, and lemon juice. And that was absolutely phenomenal. It set my stomach right for the day, the start of the day. As you can see, I'm high energy, I'm high vibration right now. So I am very, very excited and very, very blessed to be here with you guys here right now on the All Things Health and Wealth show. Please remember to click that like button, subscribe, and remember to follow me on my YouTube channel and my other social media channels wherever I can do these videos for you. As you can see here, I'm just waiting in my car right now. Dropped my partner off at her class. Her car's gone in for some fixing. So yeah, I'm here today. And I thought I'd just try something new with you guys. Get onto the phone because I said I would try and do this with you guys before. So let us go and have a look here as to what's happening in our charts. Okay, let us go and do that, guys. So coming over right here to the Bitcoin chart for today. Let's get straight to it, guys. Oh, actually, Uranium Energy Corp. Interesting. I bought some of this over on this kind of level, about 370. So you can see there, I bought at that breakout level, right there at that breakout level, and now in some decent profits. So it's got some resistance above it right now between $4.50 and $5. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, this is definitely looking extraordinarily bullish right now. So quite excited about this. And yeah, guys, before I actually get into the whole Bitcoin chart and all of that right now, but basically for me, I'm very indifferent to how we have been fooled into alternative sources like alternative energy sources, green, ESG, all this ESG stuff that's going on around the world. It's all just a scam at the end of the day. And, the amount of energy and resources that it takes to firstly mine and then manufacture the materials that are then used to create the wind propellers and the batteries and the solar panels, that stuff just continues to destroy the earth even more. So really what we're looking at is atomic energy. Nikola Tesla brought out so much different energy, but I'm not going to go into that kind of stuff, guys. I'm not talking about that in my video today, but that was what the basis of my investment into UEC, Uranium Energy Corp, is for and about, because I believe very much in that in the future we will run our energy on atomic energy. We will run it on nuclear energy. We will also run our energy systems on the air, the space between yourself and myself. Okay, and I know that's a video right now that you're watching, but I'm talking about the space. Look at the space in the car, look at the space around you, the space between me and the phone. That is the space that I'm referring to, and in that space there is powerful atomic energy that Nikola Tesla used to create his energy sources. So that stuff has been hidden from us, but I don't want to go too much into that. I just wanted to tell you why I'm looking at the chart. But let's get straight into the BTC chart, guys, because that's our video for the day. Okay, here's Bitcoin, guys. What are we doing with Bitcoin today? Let's go and have a look right here. Okay, oops, sorry guys. As you can see my chart. So yesterday we had a wonderful pullback. You can see we've had two breakouts out of my channel. I'll extend that line when I get a chance. In fact, we can try and do it now. Okay, no, I can't do it now, sorry guys. My phone is not the right size for this. I'm getting a lot of messages in, as you guys can see. So anyways, so basically what you can see here is what Bitcoin did yesterday. So now, yesterday's candle is a decision candle. And basically, we've got some opportunity because on the stochastic over here, as well as the RSI, we're quite overbought already. So we've done a huge rally, etc. We've done some rally here. Now, yesterday's candle was a decision candle, but what I'm seeing is that we're above the 50 moving average, which is the orange line here, which now will be able to take us, if we can break that line. So we tested it already twice. So 3 times we could actually end up going boom and breaking through it. So yeah, it is something that we could look at, guys. It is a huge potential. So yeah, I think just watch this space here and see what it is that happens here. So it's quite nice. And let's go and have a look at it now on the 4 hour. I mean, we've done a huge rally, guys, but look, we've had to pull back a little bit. Like, we might come down a little bit. I mean, we might come down back to the breakout level yellow, but possibly not even. And yeah, if we did that, guys, I'd have to point something out to you guys that would be then a double top at this level. Okay, double tops, as we know, come down. So where we would expect that to come down to is back to this 21.3 level, more or less. So very interesting for us to see where we're at. So huge potential for a bullish continuation rally here of the rally, but there's definitely stuff that's gonna keep us within this vicinity, maybe up to the 29,000, 30,000, 31,000, because remember 31,000 was our level. So yeah, we've got a lot of energy to look at there. Let's go and have a look at it, the chart on the weekly, because the weekly is going to be super important for us as well. Look at that, the weekly is just getting going. So yeah, I mean, there is a huge potential to come up to my cross again, which would be the 27,000. So I'm going to stick to that mark there. That's our potential for now. But guys, this is looking extremely healthy on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly, we're looking good. On the daily, we could pull back a little bit, but small pullbacks are very healthy. Now, guys, we have today and tomorrow. So the monthly candle closes tomorrow for Bitcoin. Check what it's done here. Let's get rid of that. Check what it has done right here. Okay, so those are my levels that are pointed out that could be a potential for it to come down to. But have a look here. So on our candles, we're now looking extremely bullish because last month's candle broke low. This month's candle didn't break low, remained above the turquoise line, which is basically the top of our previous 2018 or 17 all-time high. Okay. Which is fantastic. We now oversold on the RSI, oversold on the stochastic, and we are also above the 200 on the monthly. And look, the Bitcoin has never broken the 200 on the monthly. Okay, so for me, that is an extremely bullish sign. I think we'll hover around, and potentially the very least, the very most, is we'll come down to about the 14,500. And I said to you 10,000, so I still have that in the cards if we close a candle below the monthly 200. Okay, but right now we're not even close to that. So yeah, let's go and have a quick look at the dollar. And what happened on the dollar? On the dollar monthly, my gosh, that is extremely bullish. But it's extremely overbought as well. And we've been overbought since around here. So since before breakout even, we've been overbought on the dollar. So guys, I'm saying something to you. The dollar does definitely need some retracement. It's pulled up an exceptional amount, but it is still extremely strong. So we're not done yet on the dollar, I don't believe, but yeah, I mean, we've had to pull down an extraordinary amount. So We still perhaps have a little bit more to pull down, maybe to the 104 level again. Yeah, to that red line. And then, yeah, we'll find where that gathers its momentum, because now that's going to start meeting up with 100, because it's met up with 50 once already. It maybe needs to meet up with it again, change some direction. Let's go and have a look at ETH quickly. ETH USD, Bitstamp. Okay, so ETH has reached my purple box, and ETH has reached a very, very extraordinarily strong level. So guys, it's finding some support here. It broke out of the top line, trend line here. It's pumped, it closed there on the daily time frame with this candle. It tapped down for testing, it pulled back up, it's tested the top of the 100 moving average as well on the day. Now it looks like it wants to break out. If it breaks out, it definitely could come up to this level here, the 2000 level, but there is huge, major resistance, guys. So I don't know if it'll go beyond that, but definitely 2000 is the level. And as you can see here, we're extraordinarily oversold already on the stochastic and the RSI. Overbought. So yeah, we've got a lot to consider there and to think about there. But let's go and have a look at our one last chart quickly. And that would be the S&P. I think it was this one. Yes. So there are my lines. Now we're reaching a level on the S&P as well, right? Which means that the dollar could be facing a return back. We're coming up to the 200 on the S&P. We're also coming up to my orange line here, which is previous resistance of May and June this year. So that's a retest of previous breakthrough levels, right? Very, very interesting scenario here because we are obviously, we found a bottom here. But this could just be a relief rally, okay? As you could see, we've needed to basically relieve the bigger picture, the macro picture, and relieve back up to the 200, which is where we broke down just about that level. So we could even possibly come up to that level, the 4,200 level, before actually returning back down. Now that would test the confluence of the 200 moving average and then we could return back down. So very, very, very interesting scenario, and I must say I'm quite excited about it. So I wish you guys an absolutely beautiful time. I will update you guys with a video again tomorrow on the charts on the 200 moving averages and the monthly time frame and how the monthlies close, because that is going to determine to us where next month and the following month will end up. And normally, as you can see, Bitcoin in the month of August and September don't do too well, and generally in September, from September to February is a very bullish time for gold and therefore silver. So let's see what happens in those markets and what goes on there, because that is going to be absolutely exceptional, and that is also going to help the crypto market and the crypto space pump. Even though the bond market is collapsing, the car market is collapsing, and so on and so forth. Guys, we've got interesting things happening out there in the world today. So I really look forward to this. I've got some exciting interviews coming up and planned with some global economists that are based here in South Africa, and absolutely these guys know some wonderful stuff and news. So I'm going to share some of those things in the next couple of weeks. We have really a lot of interviews planned and lined up for bringing forth new and abundant energy on the show as well. I shall be doing health interviews with other people too, again, because I need to practice that duality of this channel. Love you guys. Take care. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to our days. Love you. Take care. And